Hi, I am Sandhya. Welcome to Quest for Maths channel. First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. Yesterday I was discussed ball and bag problems in probability. Today I am going to discuss remaining problems. Yesterday I was discussed three types of problems based on and, are, and both and are based. Today I am going to discuss type 4 problem, one color. A bag contains 5 green, 3 blue color balls. 3 balls picked randomly. What is the probability that one is green? Here totally 8 balls ఉన్నాయి. Out of 8, 3 balls picked randomly. What is the probability that one is green? So totally how many balls? 8 balls. So how many balls picked randomly? 3 balls. So in denominator 8C3. What is the probability that 1 is green? Out of 5 we select 1 is green. So how can we write 5C1 into remaining how many balls is there? Out of 3, 1 is green. Remaining 2. These 2 balls are picked from blue color. How many blue colored balls? 3. We can select 2 balls. So 5C1 means 5 into 3C2, 3 2 by 2 divided by 8C3, 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 2 1. 15 divided by 56. So our answer is 15 divided by 56. This is one colored ball. Next type, fifth type. This is none color is picked. So suppose a bag contains 5 green and 3 balls. Out of none is green, none is blue, like that. A bag contains 5 green and 3 blue balls. Out of 2 balls picked randomly, what is the probability that none is green? So none is green. Total how many balls? 8 balls. Out of 8, 2 balls are picked randomly. What is the probability that none is green? So none is green means no ball is picked from green. So we can select 2 balls from blue color. So 3C2. 3 into 2 by 2. 8 into 7 by 2. That is equals to 3 by 28. This is none is green. If in case none is blue ankondi, out of 5, 5C2 by 8C2. This is fifth type. Next type 6. At least and at most is very important problems. Mostly these types of problems come in exams. So sixth problem, at least type. A bag contains 5 green and 3 blue balls. Out of 3 balls picked randomly, out of 3 balls picked randomly, what is the probability that at least one ball is green? So total how many balls? 8 balls. Out of 8, 3 balls picked, so 8 is 3. At least, for example, at least means minimum. So minimum to maximum. At least ఎంత పిక్ చేయమన్నాడు 1. సో హౌ మెనీ బాల్స్ పిక్ చేయాలి? 2. 1, 2, 3. సో అట్లీస్ట్ 1. సో గ్రీన్ కదా, 5C1 into remaining 2 balls from blue, 3C2 plus 5C2 into 3C1 plus 5C3 into 3C0. ఇక్కడ అట్లీస్ట్ 1 అన్నాడు కాబట్టి మినిమం 1, మ్యాక్సిమం 3 బాల్స్ కాబట్టి 3. సో ఫస్ట్ 5 గ్రీన్లో మినిమం 1 బాల్ పిక్ చేసాము, సో 5C1. రిమైనింగ్ 2 మొత్తం 3 కాబట్టి ఇంకా 2 ఉంటుంది. ఈ 2ని బ్లూ కలర్ బ్యాగ్ నుండి పిక్ చేసాము. తర్వాత 2 పిక్ చేసాము, రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 1. తర్వాత 3, సో 0. సో ఈ 2 కలిపితే అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 3 రావాలి. 2 + 1 3. సో 5C1 means 5. 3C2 3 plus 5C2 value 5 into 4/2 10 into 3 plus 5C3 value 10 into 1 divided by 8C3 value 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2 into 1, 56. So 15 plus 30 plus 10 divided by 56, 40, 55/56. This is the probability that at least one ball is green. This is at least problem. Next one. This is type 7 problem at most. A bag contains 5 green, 3 blue balls. Out of 3 balls are selected randomly. What is the probability that at most 2 balls are green? At most అన్నాడు కదా, at most that means maximum. So maximum to minimum. Maximum at most 2. So 2, 1, 0 minimum. Solution is out of 8 you can select 3 balls. At most 2 balls are green. So first out of 5 we can select 2. Remaining 1 ball from blue plus 5C1 into 3C2 plus 5C0 into 3C3. This is the equation. At most 2, maximum 2 balls select చేసాము. తర్వాత రిమైనింగ్ 1 బ్లూ, తర్వాత 1 బ్లూ నుంచి 2, తర్వాత 0 బ్లూ నుంచి 3. సో 5C2 5 into 10 value into 10 into 3 plus 5 into 3 plus 1 into 1 divided by 8C3 value 8 into 7 into 6 by 3 into 2, 56. So 30, 15, 45, 46. So 46/56. 2 3s, 2 8s. This is the probability that At most 2 balls are green. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.